Gökmen Makina was established in 1994 in Izmir, Turkey as a family company. Gökmen Makina manufactures automotive brake parts, electric motor shafts, spare parts for food industry machinery. After the financial crisis in 2010 that the Turkey faced, we needed to expand our customer portfolio, especially to the European market.
My name is Serdal Temel. I work for Enterprise Network hosted by Ege University, Izmir, Turkey. After the 2010 financial crisis, Gökmen Makina almost lost their market. They definitely need a new partner. We supported them with different tools. First, we conducted innovation assessment to find out real needs. Secondly, we created a business profile. After that, we put them in contact with the university to enhance their knowledge on materials and train the workers. Finally, we organized the company missions and assisted negotiation for our following services to the Gökmen Makina.
The network introduced us to many companies, and one of them was the Danish company called Gram Equipment. Thanks to the collaboration, we started exporting for the first time, and now that export represents 55% of our annual turnover, which almost doubled and reached to the point of 2 million euros. We hired 16 new employees and 2 new engineers to our company.
We found a global solution for them and brought their company to an international level. The company started to export. They are currently working more value-added products and their profitability has increased. They are hiring engineers and the majority of their products goes to export. This is the story that reflects the power of the network, taking a company and leading them on the path to international success.